Hello and welcome. This beautiful watch here is the Vostok Komandirskie with the Heineken dial, because it's got a red star and green background like a bottle of Heineken, and that's why it's very beautiful. Now this watch is really special for two reasons, or I should say one reason. You get a beautiful mechanical watch with a ton of history for $35 or something like that. So it's very cheap, and it's a beautiful mechanical watch with really decades of history, because Vostok has been around for a very long time, and it has a in-house Russian movement, and it's just an awesome watch for the money. Now this one, it doesn't have much water resistance, but it has a screw-in crown, and because it's also not automatic, so you have to wind it up manually, and you can only wind it up to the point when it's fully wound, and then you cannot turn it anymore. Now it's fully wound, so, and because it's not automatic, it's a really slim watch, and it's also a small watch. So this is the Orient Triton, and you can see the difference. Now it has a date window, but there is no quick set date. So what you can do is you have to, with the hour hand, you have to go to 9, then back to 12, and then the date changes, and again 9, 12, and the date changes. So it's really a pain in the butt to change the date. So it would be better if it didn't have a date window at all, like this one, like this automatic Komandirskie here. It doesn't have a date window, and that's an awesome thing, because if you don't have quick set date, I don't think a date window makes sense. So it also has a bidirectional bezel. It's very smooth, so there's no ratcheting. It's very smooth. What else does it have? Domed acrylic crystal, and it looks awesome with it. And this is a parachute there. So this is the paratrooper dial. You know, Vostoks have a lot of different dials, like tank dial, submarine dial, I don't know, whatever. This is a paratrooper dial, and it's got a titanium coating because it's a newer model. Previous models had a chrome coating or something like that, but this one has a titanium coating, and it looks like titanium. Now to compare, this is the Citizen Tough, which also has titanium coating, although this one is stainless steel with titanium coating. The Vostok Komandirskie is brass with titanium coating. And of course the titanium coating on the Citizen Tough looks better because it's a much more expensive and higher quality watch, of course. But you can see the similarity. Now this is a Vostok Amphibia, and it's stainless steel. There's not any coating, and you can see the difference what a titanium coating makes. Now the watch came on this leather strap, which is very nice. I actually like this leather strap. I have absolutely no problem with it. It's just missing one hole here for me to be comfortable. I mean, really comfortable. So I have this Barton strap, which is an 18mm strap, because it's got 18mm lugs, and it looks great on the watch, I think, because black goes very well with the green dial, and it has the red and white accent colors. So it's a very nice combination, I think. Okay, but let's see the case back. Okay, there is the Russian eagle, Rossi. This is, I have no idea what's that. Voto, I don't know, something. Yeah, whatever. And it's got this Vostok caseback design, which is different from other. So it is not the traditional screw down caseback. or screw in case back or whatever. But yeah, the case back looks nice. Okay, let's put it on the wrist, shall we? So what I really like about it is that this is such a beautiful mechanical watch with a ton of history for very cheap, for very little money. Okay, come on, buddy. Okay, that's how it looks on my 6.5 inch wrist. 6.5 inch wrist, yeah. I think it looks awesome. It's a beautiful little watch. And it's also quite loud, so it's ticking loud. I mean, you cannot hear it like this, but if you put it to your ear, it ticks loud, which I like. It's no problem. Okay, now to compare, this is also a Komandirskie, but it's an automatic Komandirskie with no date, which is very nice. This is an Amphibia. So these both have 18mm lugs, 18. This one has 20. And although this is also a Komandirskie, it's automatic and it's got the same kind of 200 meters water resistance as the Amphibia. So these are really they have more in common. This is an Amphibia, this is an automatic Komandirskie, and this is a classic Komandirskie, not automatic, not much water resistance. Actually, I saw this watch in the Apple TV show called Severance. I don't really watch the show, but I watched the first, I think, 2 episodes. And there, the main character wears this watch. And I was like, I mean a vintage version of this watch. And I was like, wow, that's so beautiful. Yeah. Okay, so these are my Vostoks. Beautiful watches for little money. The only real weakness of these watches is the lume. So the lume is a joke compared to Seiko's Citizens. But you know, for the money, what do you want? These are beautiful watches with a lot of history, and they function very well. So they are, yeah, with in-house Russian movement. What else do we need? It's fantastic, beautiful watch. Yeah. Okay, I think that's it about Vostok. How shall we do it nicely? The Komandirskies and the Amphibia. Okay. That's it about Vostok for now. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.